Effective writers do this when they write. You should too. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, 5 reasons why you should be outlining before you sit down to write any document. Okay, I know what you're thinking. When you hear about outlining, your mind probably goes back to high school, college, maybe middle school, where your English teachers and your literature teachers told you to outline before you wrote an essay because it would help you gather your thoughts and be more effective as a writer. Well, guess what? They were right. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why even today, no matter how accomplished you are or how good of a writer you think you are, you should be outlining before you sit down to write. Number 1, it gives you a bird's eye view of your document. From the get-go, once you've outlined and before you actually sit down to write, you have an understanding of whether your article or your brief or your document will cover all of the bases you need it to cover. Second, it gives you a structured path to your destination. You know, based on this outline, what you have to research, what you need to cover. And it allows you to be more efficient because you can focus on what you need to do. You can pull together what you need to fill out the document based on your outline. You don't have to worry about stopping and starting because you didn't realize you needed something or you had to chase down some piece of information or do additional research. Number 3, it limits extraneous content. Because you know what you have to say and how you're going to say it and where you're going to say it, it helps you avoid going down tangents and allows you to stay focused on what you need to write to get your point across. Number 4, it gives you flexibility. It allows you to make tweaks in the beginning without you having to rewrite paragraphs or even entire sections. Nothing's worse when we're writing than going down a particular path and then realizing halfway through or almost all the way through that we need to change the way we're doing it because we missed a point or we're not going down the right angle or somehow we are not focused and not able to get in our writing satisfy the theme that we are trying to satisfy and make the arguments we have to. So outlining allows you to be flexible and not go too far down the road and change things up because again, you know from the outset what you're going to be saying and whether you're making your points. Number 5, it makes you more efficient in 2 ways. 1, there's no more writer's block. You know exactly what you have to say because you've outlined it. There's no wondering how I should start this paragraph, how does it flow from the previous paragraph, how's it going to flow into the next section or the next topic. It doesn't matter, you've mapped it out already. All you have to do is write. And for a related reason, it allows you to easily pick up where you left off. If you stop based on other things going on in the workday and come back to this document, your train of thought will be lost a little bit, but because the outline has already mapped out for you where you're going to go, it's not a complete loss. You're not starting from scratch. You just pick up easily from where you left off because the outline has told you what's coming up next. So those are 5 quick reasons why you should be outlining before you write. There are probably a dozen other great reasons, but to me, these 5 stand out as reasons that are persuasive enough to get you to outline from the get-go. If you have any questions or want more information about how to develop compelling book of business building, marketing, and business development content, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have videos and blogs that can help you do just that.